Hi everyone, and welcome to Heather's Backyard. In this episode, we have some snow in Ireland. And there's something surprising growing in my greenhouse. Join me as I explore this wintry day in Ireland and all of the exciting things thriving in my greenhouse. We have had some cold, wet weather lately. Let's get this greenhouse opened up. Look at that. Oop. I'm curious to see what temperature it is inside of here. Because if it's still warm-ish. Look at that. So about a week ago, I planted garlic in the greenhouse, and it was warm that week. I thought, okay, well, the garlic will go into dormancy and then start growing. And I was in the greenhouse a couple days ago, didn't see anything, but look at this. Now I'm here. What day is it today? November 20th. Well, do you see that? What is that? Those are little shoots of garlic coming up. November 20th, and they're gonna freeze now, so I don't know if these bulbs are not gonna survive the winter if they're starting to grow now. I don't know much about growing garlic. I've never planted garlic before, so this was definitely an experiment. But look at the shoot. That's like an inch, maybe. So, and they're all popping up. It's not just one. I have 1, 2, 3, pretty much all of them have sprouted. Very interesting. I'll have to keep an eye on it and see what happens. Just a quick look at the microgreens. They were growing very well this summer. However, with the colder temperatures, I think they are a little bit slower. These pea shoots, they're getting into the ground, not too bad. I feel like I should weight these more. That's one thing about these radish seeds. I don't think I weighted them long enough. So I'm going to put the weights back on the pea shoots just to get them going the right direction. And the radish ones, it might be too late. They're kind of growing all over the place. I have a cluster here. Radish seeds. Don't think I can weight them now. Oh well, next time. I took it easy in the greenhouse today to capture some footage of the snowy Irish landscape. I love how the snow contrasts with the green grass. It feels like a glimpse of spring. Back in the greenhouse today, just checking to see on the progress of my microgreens. You can see them in the background here. We've got the little pea shoots coming up. Hey, what's that? That looks like a little rogue radish ended up in there. And I'm gonna eat that one. Over here are my radish greens. Some of them are going a little bit crazy. Look at these. They're not even in the ground. I think what happened is I didn't leave the weight on the tray long enough for them to grow or for them to get their roots into the soil. So some of the roots are up like this. I'll eat them anyways. pretty good. I can't wait for them to get a little bit bigger. They're growing pretty slow because it's a little bit chilly in here. Look at the garlic. I think every bulb that I planted, except for one, has come up. And what day is it today? November 28th. I don't know, I've never grown garlic before. Is it supposed to sprout before January? I didn't know if that was possible. So, not sure what's going on here, but like, look at this. Look at how tall that is. That's like finger. This one's doing really well. Yeah, they're all growing. Very interesting. That's all I have for this little greenhouse update, but I'll keep everyone in the loop on how the garlic grows. Till next time, here's a few pictures of the snowy mountains from the November 20th week. Thanks for watching Heather's Backyard. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support helps the channel grow. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.